Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can be able to know how many hours or minutes your phone has stayed on without going off. Alright, open the setting on your device, then scroll down to system, click on system, then click on about phone. As you can see mine, click on about phone, or if you can't find the about phone, you kindly go to the search bar and type about phone. That's if you can't find the about phone, you understand, then you can search for it and select options that will be shown to you. So this is the option. Then let's go click on status. Click on this status here. Let's click on it and see. As you can see, mine, I've been active for like 16 hours now. I've been active, my phone has been on for complete 16 hours. So this is where you will know how many hours or minutes your phone has stayed on without going off. So this will be helpful at times if your phone is hanging. Come here and check it out. At times, if your phone should be active for like 24 hours, 72 hours, it might be hanging. So you need to reboot the system or allow the system to cool before it starts working normally. So this is where you will know how many hours your phone has stayed active. So if you like this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video as well. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.